Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you this hat that I had just received. So this hat appears to be designed for outdoor activities where sun protection is important, and one thing that I really like is how flexible the hat is because the wide curve helps keep the shade on my face and eyes from direct sunlight. And I really like how it's white and a light color because, as you may know, the darker colors do attract more heat and it could burn your head. So the material is super lightweight and it makes it comfortable to wear in warm weather. And it's made from a smooth synthetic fabric that can dry quickly if it gets wet. It's also, like I said, breathable and lightweight. So if you sweat, you won't sweat as much wearing this hat, which is super nice. And hats like this are often used for running, hiking, walking, whatever, even traveling, because they provide comfort and sun coverage. So the structure in the front helps the hat keep its shape, even after being packed in a bag or suitcase, so it's not all wrinkly or mushed. And actually, this hat has UV protection. One thing I forgot to mention is that there is a Velcro strap in the back which you can actually adjust to fit you just right and put your hair through it, which I did not do in this video, but you definitely can. So just wearing a hat like this can help reduce sun exposure to the forehead, scalp, and parts of the face. So overall, this sporty design combines practicality and style, making it super useful for both exercise and everyday wear.